pure natural wild agarwood in the natural environment. Agarwood trees will naturally secrete resin for self-protection due to pests, mechanical damage or other natural factors, thus forming agarwood. Artificial agarwood 1. Use lead rods to make fire eyes and make agarwood at high temperatures. But lead is harmful to the human body and may cause lead poisoning too. Using strong acids and alkalis to treat agarwood may destroy the internal molecular structure of agarwood and affect its natural properties and quality. 3. Using chemical agents to promote the agarwood formation process may reduce the natural immunity of agarwood and affect its quality and efficacy. For all sunny energy ABAG factory soil agarwood microbial agarwood formation. Use microorganisms to form agarwood naturally through the ducts of agarwood trees, usually after the agarwood trees are injured. This method uses a natural fermentation process to ensure the naturalness and quality of agarwood. High-efficiency agarwood formation technology. By comparing the traditional artificial wounding and the whole body agarwood formation technology using growth regulators, inorganic salts, and microbial food-grade fungal liquid infusion method, explores the agarwood formation mechanism such as xylem structure, trunk respiration, and volatile oil in the process of agarwood material formation. The fungal edible fungus liquid infusion method can effectively induce the agarwood formation of whitewood agarwood. After 16 months of agarwood formation period, this method can make the intrinsic essential oil content in agarwood greater than 68.68%. SES quite RPNOIDs, SES quite or penoid compounds, and oud agarwood alcohol content reach the effect of high-efficiency agarwood formation, and the xylem ethanol extract content can reach the pharmacopoeia standard.